Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back. So back to the basics, actually starting with the basics. We had rumors about Samsung not changing the design of the Galaxy Note 9 and that was kind of a bummer to the die-hard Semi fans. But now we have got some good news for you. It all started with the screen protector leak of the Galaxy Note 9. This screen protector showed us a smaller top bezel and the bottom bezel was also trimmed off. Based on this design, Vanya Gaskin made his renders of the Galaxy Note 9 versus the Galaxy Note 8. This is a considerable change, but I don't think that it is enough to upgrade from the Galaxy Note 8, considering that the Galaxy Note 9 will miss the most hyped feature, which is the in-display fingerprint scanner, and it will be at the back something like this. In these screen protectors, Ice Universe also pointed out that in the Galaxy Note 9, opening for the iris scanner is bigger than the opening for the camera itself. In the Note 8, both the iris scanner and the camera was almost same, if not iris scanner was smaller. This could only mean upgraded iris scanner, along with a new UI and Bixby 2.0. The Galaxy Note 9 could also feature 8GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. Yes, 512GB. This is totally insane. But this is not for sure, and even if it happens, it will be a heck lot expensive. The Galaxy Note 9 running on Exynos 9810 was recently spotted on Geekbench with 6GB of RAM. It scores 2737 in single core and 9064 in multi-core. These are impressive numbers, but as I said earlier, numbers don't matter much. And talking of numbers, the best number of the Galaxy Note 9 will be the nearly 4000 mAh battery. The Note 7 fiasco was almost 2 years ago, so now it's time to explore new boundaries. This is a really good news that this could be the Galaxy Note 9, but I still won't recommend it upgrading from the Galaxy Note 8. At least hold on for the Galaxy S10, which will feature new processor, in-display fingerprint scanner, completely eliminated bottom bezel, upgraded camera and many more new features. So that would be a better buy. So yeah guys, this could be the Galaxy Note 9. Let me know what you guys think about it. And just when I was about to publish the video, Ice Universe came up with a new important tweet, so I thought to include that. He shared some new screen protectors saying that the protector in the left is the real, which is this one. And this doesn't have any smaller bezels. These are almost the same size as the Galaxy Note 8. And the iris scanner is also not bigger anymore. Here we can see it is the same size. And if it is real, we got pranked today. We got fooled. Big time. I will cover everything about the Galaxy Note 9, so make sure to subscribe for that, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Peace out.